So today I'll be doing a review on the Rolex Datejust 2. So this is what comes inside. You have your warranty and all that type of stuff in here, and you have the actual box. So first let's get into it. So first you have this warranty card right here, and inside of here you have all of the paperwork and type of stuff, like this warranty booklet. Then you have this is the watch thing, I think, and this is a factory service. So let's put that aside now. So this is what the watch comes in. It's this really nice pattern right here as the crown. Looks nice. And I'll start to open it. This is the watch. Looks nice, and then this material, it's really soft material. Then in here we have the extra link in here, I believe so. We have the extra link right here, and this is the watch. As you can see, looks really nice, stainless steel. It has diamonds inside. Looks really nice. So it's a 41 millimeter stainless steel. As you can see, the back is over there. It's just plain black, I guess. Then this is the part where you can open it. So actually how you open is you have to, this thing like bends up a bit, I believe so. Wait, hold on. I'm only using one hand, so it's kind of hard, but I'm gonna try and get it. Yeah, so it opens like that. Then in here it just says Rolex right there. Stainless steel strap. I believe the strap is the strap size, I'm not sure. I think it's 20 millimeter. I'm not sure, but I don't know what the strap size is. But the watch size, I know what that is. That's a 41. So yeah, it looks really nice. You can see there's a crown right there. It's kind of slim a bit. Looks really nice. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. This is a 2018, I think. I'm pretty sure. This is a 2018. It looks really nice on my wrist. And yeah, super nice watch. So this is the Datejust 2. It was released in 2009. I'm pretty sure. So yeah. And the original Datejust 1, that was released in 1945. So it has a mechanical self-winding caliber 3136 automatic movement, which is COCS certified chronometer. The highest designation attributed for precision and accuracy by the Swiss official chronometer testing institute. So it has a mechanical self-winding caliber 3136 automatic movement, which is COCS certified chronometer. The highest designation attributed for precision and accuracy by the Swiss official chronometer testing institute. So I would personally recommend this watch. It looks really nice, and everything about the watch is nice. You know, there's diamonds in it, and the watch, I believe so, it's not that cheap, and it's not too expensive. It's like in the middle. So personally, I would say it's a really nice watch. I would highly recommend this watch. So this was my review of the watch, my unboxing and everything, and I hope you enjoyed this video.